Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to screenshot on your Mac. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and click the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'm Nas and I make tutorial videos on software productivity tools that will help you increase your productivity at work. So to begin, anyone who has a Mac would be able to see this kind of screen. Yes, with the head here and then the bottom like this. Yes, so if you want to make a screenshot, you go to your F4 and then you see this interface of icons. You move to, it's located at the others, and then there's a screenshot. If you don't want to go through the stress of locating it, you can just search for it and then you click on it. Yes, when you click on it, you would have this for you to size, or you would have this for you to size on the use a full screen or use the entire screen. This is the capturing the windows, so it will capture up to here. Yes, and then for this you select an area where you can capture. You can choose to do a screenshot or a video screen recording. That is all about this video. See you in the next one.